Filter life reminder. How to replace filters. 1. Before removing the filter, please turn off the faucet first and wait 30s to fully release the internal pressure of the RO machine, which makes the filter easier to remove and install. 2. Twist off the filter that needs to be replaced in a counterclockwise direction. 3. Twist the new filter into the housing in a clockwise direction. 4. Reset the filter life indicator and flush the filter after replacement. Refer to the following steps. How to reset the filter life indicator. Hold the F3 filter life indicator for 7 seconds until the system beeps. How to flush the filter after replacement. For F1 filter, turn on the F1 faucet to flush for 15 minutes. For F2 filter, it will be flushed automatically for 5 minutes without turning on the F3 faucet. For F3 filter, turn on the F3 faucet to flush for 30 minutes. Automatic flushing. The circular fresh water flushing function is to ensure each cup of water fresh and healthy. After the system stops filtering water for 10 minutes, the system will automatically produce the fresh water.